Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. Friends, happy Easter. You are welcome to this channel. If you are new to this channel, hello, my name is Becky. You're highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much. One of my kids' favorite desserts is quick to make and it's very cheap. Under 5 minutes we're gonna make this. And there's a bag, there might be a noise. The kids, they are home today. Is Easter here in Ireland. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, consider yourself to subscribe to this family channel. We share a lot of video, we do a lot of things here. It's one of the nice great channel to watch. Share this video, friends, for your friends. So guys, I will go straight to this recipe. It's a very simple recipe. Plain biscuits. You can get yourself rich cream biscuits or any biscuits of your choice. This is 250 kilogram of biscuits, and we are going to be using 200 gram of condensed milk, and we are going to be using margarine butter. I've already made mine on the microwave. You can use melted one or cold one, but I love melting it, so I'm using 100 gram of butter along with cocoa. So cocoa is 40 grams. So we're going to be mixing all this together, and I'm going to also leave the recipe to make life easy for you guys. Yeah, here is it guys, after 3 hours. You can leave yours for 2 hours, but I normally leave it in the fridge for 3 hours. So